Most people throw these away the moment the gel dries up. But what if I told you this empty air freshener container can be reused to make a brand new one at home? Today, I'm going to show you how to turn this dried up gel air freshener into a fresh smelling room deodorizer using just a few simple ingredients. The best part? It costs much less than buying a new one. Let's get started. Here's the old gel air freshener. As you can see, the gel inside has completely dried up and shrunk. At this point, most people would throw it straight into the trash, but we're gonna give it a second life. First, remove the dried gel from the container. You can simply lift it out by hand. Next, wash the container thoroughly with soap and water. Make sure it's completely clean before we make the new gel. Now our container is ready. For this DIY air freshener, I'm using 240 milliliters of water, 8 grams of agar-agar powder, 2.5 grams of salt, 15 milliliters of rubbing alcohol, and 20 to 25 drops of butterfly pea flower fragrance oil. These ingredients are inexpensive and easy to find. Start by heating 1 cup of water. Once the water is hot, add 1 teaspoon of agar-agar powder. Stir continuously until the powder completely dissolves. Next, add half a teaspoon of salt. The salt helps the gel last longer. Continue stirring for another minute. Once everything is dissolved, turn off the heat. Now let the mixture cool for about 2 to 3 minutes. This step is important because we don't want the fragrance to evaporate from the heat. Now add 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol. The rubbing alcohol helps the fragrance mix more evenly throughout the gel. Give it a quick stir. Next, add 20 to 25 drops of butterfly pea flower fragrance oil. This is my favorite part. The scent is light, floral, and refreshing, perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, and living rooms. Stir everything together until well combined. Carefully pour the mixture into the cleaned air freshener container. If you'd like a more colorful look, you can also add a tiny drop of blue food coloring before pouring. Now, all we need to do is wait. Place the container in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. During this time, the liquid will transform into a firm gel. And here is the finished result. Look at that! Instead of throwing away an empty container, we've created a brand new gel air freshener. It smells wonderful, looks great, and costs only a fraction of buying a new one from the store. Would you try making this at home? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy simple DIY ideas, home hacks, and money-saving tips, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.